Welcome to the CrabTree channel, guys. We're going to keep this one short and sweet. 2022 LP5 Duramax fuel filter change how to. All right, guys, let's do it. Three-eighths ratchet. 3/8 extension, 36 mil socket, pair of gloves, and of course, GM fuel filter. There's the part number. Between your def tank and your fuel tank, there's this guy right here. Socket fits on, unscrew. Here's the old one. It's pretty filthy. Holy moly, making a mess here, guys. Okay, take the new one, a little bit of diesel on this gasket just for some lube. Push it back down so it snaps in place. Look at the difference, guys. Don't do what I did. Made a big mess everywhere, and I just realized there's a T40 Torx socket will fit right in there. You unscrew it and drain into a bucket or something, because you know what? I didn't do that. Started unscrewing it and I made a huge mess. So take it from me. T40 Torx bit. Unscrew that, drain into a bucket. It's a lot cleaner. Once the fuel filter is installed, it's getting tight. Hop in the truck. We're gonna come over to the start button. Do not put your foot on the brake. You're gonna press and hold. Once everything lights up, there you go. Now your fuel pump is running. Give it about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it run like that. When it's done its thing, press the button once again. This time, put your foot on the brake, press, let the motor run for 5 to 10 minutes. You should be good to go. And guys, I'm gonna scroll over, go to your fuel filter life 0. Let it go a little bit too long. Press the round button. Would you like to reset? Yes. We turn it off. Turn it back on. Let's see if it goes to 100. There we go. Turn back to 100. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.